how to get credit card for Discord Nitro. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get credit card or how can you pay for the Discord Nitro in Discord app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Discord application on your device, or you can also open the Discord on the browser. Alright, so after you open the Discord and logged in with your account, you'll got such interface. So now from here, you can tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so after you come on the profile section, you'll be able to get the options like get Nitro. So simply you have to tap on it. Alright, so from this interface, you'll have to select one subscription method from here. So simply from here choose one. Alright, so now from here you can choose your plan on your basis monthly or yearly. So simply choose one and tap on the option purchase. Okay, so from here you'll have to verify with your Apple ID or password, and from there you'll be able to add your credit card or debit card on here to start the Nitro subscription on Discord. So you have to make a payment from here, and if you have not any credit card for the Discord, you'll have to just back from here and you can simply open the any browser on your device. Alright, so after you open the browser, in this hospital you'll have to type for skrill.com. So this website will allow you to make the digital wallet for the credit card. So from here you can go with the option sign up now. So simply tap on this option. Alright, so from there you'll have to give all of the details to verify your account, like you have to give your full name, your location, your currency, and after you complete all of the procedure, from there you'll be able to see such interface on your device. So from here you can easily add this credit card on here and you can easily start the payment from here. So in this way you can get credit card for your Discord Nitro subscription. So I will firstly recommend you to use the Discord application, and from there you can easily add your credit card and debit card from there. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.